Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up Air Tunnel VPN on your Android device to improve your online privacy and secure your internet connection. Before we start, make sure you have an active internet connection and have read the app's terms and conditions. It's also important to follow your country's local laws when using any VPN. Step 1. Install the app first. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Air Tunnel VPN and look for the correct app. Scroll down if needed, then tap Install. Wait for the app to download and install completely. Once installed, open the app. It may take a few moments to load to the home screen, so be patient. During this time, the app may automatically check for updates to ensure you are using the latest configurations. Step 2. Check for updates on the home screen. Look for the Updates option. Tap it to make sure the app is up to date. Updates ensure the app has the latest server list and performance improvements. Step 3. Select a server next. You need to choose a server. You will see two main options. Auto server. This automatically connects you to the fastest and most stable server for your location. Manual server. You can choose a specific server from the list if you prefer. For most users, the auto server option works best, so we recommend selecting it. Step 4. Choose a connection method. After selecting the server, tap on Connection Method. Here, we are choosing UDP, all country. That UDP is generally faster and provides a stable connection, which is ideal for browsing, streaming, or gaming. If UDP does not work for your region, you can use the search feature to find a server configuration that works specifically for your country. Step 5. Add usage time. Some versions of the app use a time-based system. You will see a section labeled Remaining Time. Tap this section and follow the prompts to add time. This ensures your VPN will stay active without interruption. Step 6. Start the VPN connection. Once everything is set, tap the Start button. Wait a few seconds while the app establishes the connection. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation on the screen, indicating that your internet traffic is now routed through a secure tunnel. Your connection is now protected, and your online activity is private. That's how you set up Air Tunnel VPN step by step for a fast and secure connection. Remember to always follow the app's rules and your local laws. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.